Good evening all. Today I am going to brief about the processes and the way they are used in the multitasking environment system, that is operating system. Process is nothing but an instance of an entity in a memory, whereas a program is an active entity. In a multitasking environment, so all the processes need to be concurrently executed, and also the processes need to be coordinated. So it's the important, it's a function of the operating system to manage the process executions and all. And also in a real time systems, all the multiple processes need to be executed in a rapid, fastest way, so that the efficiency could be increased. So before explaining about how the processor are actually managed, the way how the operating system executes the instructions. So the operating system executes the processes, like assigning the processes among the multiple processes, and these processes, in order to run the processes, they need to utilize the available resources, and the available resources are plenty. So it could be like the image of the executable code, and also the memory, it might be descriptors or files, anything, and similarly the I/O devices and also their respective descriptors to handle it, etc. So when in a multitasking environment, so when the operating system runs these multiple tasks or the jobs, so all the resources need to be utilized in an efficient way, so which automatically helps to run concurrently. So to manage these resources, the important information, or the very first stage of the memory management is provide sufficient informations about the processes. So likewise, so in this multiple tasking environment, all the processes might be like conflicting or raising the request to utilize those resources at that moment. To sort out this, so the informations could be given in a PCB, that is called as a process control block, so which gives essential informations regarding all the process states, and similarly the available resources along with the IDs, etc. So this could be the very first stage in running any of the process in the multitasking environment. So thank you.